Okay, team, we're ready to cool down. So do what I do or something very similar. Try and get those stretches. Nice gentle step touch. Now double it up.
Don't think about it. Just move your body.
Hold here.
To the music, sing away.
Double tap.
Just move those hands.
Right, anything you want with those arms. Hold here.
Sing away. Show the world you got that fire.
Pop these elbows. Bend. Stretch. And again. Push those knees out.
I don't know about you, but I feel better
This side. Roll it up.
Yeah.
And again.
When I'm dancing,
And calf stretch. Feet nice and tight. Bend your front knees. Both knees facing forward. Good. Roll it up. Then stand on one leg like a pirate. Good job.
When you finally let go, you say that so loud. Cause you listen to the music and say, oh, hey, oh. Cause you're confident, babe. You make it right. We know that you could do it. Say, oh, hey, oh.
Bend and pop.
Show the world you
Bend
got
and
that
stretch.
fire, baby. Feel the rhythm getting louder.
Again.
Show the world what you can do.
Big arms.
To them you got the moves. Hey, I don't know about you, but I feel
Side for me,
better
roll
when
it
I'm
up.
dancing. Yeah, yeah.
And
When
again.
I'm dancing. Yeah,
Into your calf stretch.
And we can do
Both
this
knees facing
together.
forward.
But you
Get
feel
them all
better
down.
when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah.
Hold on to the ankles. Squeeze feet together. Facing forward. And then reach. Now big one. And lean over. And lean over. And make sure you go to the side and not forward. Bend and pop. Good. And take a big bow. Good job. Scoop it up. Change legs. One foot slightly behind the other. Take a big bow. Hold it. Good. Feet together. Roll it up. And stretch. Well done.